Liberty of the Seas features and overview is coming up next. Looking for an affordable cruise? Then here are the 10 must-hit things to know before boarding the newly amplified Liberty of the Seas. One of the Freedom class cruise ships, it sailed for the first time in 2007 and was recently refurbished with a multi-million-dollar renovation in the spring of 2026. With a guest capacity of 3,948 people, it offers 11 dining options, a surf simulator, ice skating rink, and now it has got a fresh new pool deck look. Izumi, a Japanese dining venue, Starbucks, Loco Fresh, as well as a few more updates. It offers 4 to 9 nights of round trip from Galveston to the Western Caribbean, as well as 5 to 15 nights of European itinerary from Southampton, and 15 nights sailing is one way from Southampton to Galveston. Let's talk about the deck plans. Deck 2 and 3 are mostly staterooms. Deck 3 forward is the theater, which is multi-story up to deck 4. Next are some staterooms, and then there is Studio B. Aft is a photo studio, an art gallery, and more staterooms, as well as the lower level of the dining room. Next, on deck 4 forward, you will find the upper level of theater. Moving back, there is the Schooner Bar, a perfect venue for cocktails. To the port is Izumi, the newest Japanese dining. The next is the Casino Royale with a bar. Further back is the extended casino. That's also new. Toward the starboard are some suites and staterooms. In the centrum, there is Starbucks. Aft is the mid-level of the main dining hall. Are you looking for some fun and food? If yes, then check out the Star Lounge that hosts number of fun activities and a live band. That's on deck 5 forward. Next to it is an escape room. Next, you will reach in the Royal Promenade. For pizza lovers, they have got Sorrento's, which is included in your cruise fare. Next to it are some shops, an English pub, Vintage's wine bar, an ice cream parlor, and cafe promenade. A great complimentary venue for snacks and drinks. Next, you will find a fresh baked gourmet cupcakes shop. Surrounding the centrum are the guest services, shore excursions, and the next cruise booking. And aft is the upper level of the dining room. Decks 6 to 10 are mostly staterooms. However, library is on deck 9. Deck 11 forward is the fitness center, and spa is on deck 12. Moving aft is the solarium, an adults only area with 2 hot tubs, a pool, and a bar. The pool deck has also been amplified. Here you will find the main pools, a splashaway bay, lime and coconut bar, as well as El Loco Fresh and Cantina, a new Mexican venue on board. Chops Grill is a specialty American steakhouse, and Giovanni's Table, an Italian venue on the starboard. And aft is the buffet. On deck 12 aft, there is a teen lounge, a nursery, an arcade, and Johnny Rockets, and included burger joint. Midship is the jogging track. Ahead is the upper level of lime and coconut bar and ocean view suites. Mini golf is on deck 13 forward. Aft is a rock climbing wall, a sports court, flow rider, and slides. And deck 14 is home to Viking Crown Lounge, Diamond Club, Sweet Lounge, and Olive and Twist for enjoying amazing views. And chapel is on deck 15. For accommodation, you have the option of interior, ocean view, balcony, staterooms, and suites. Overall, you will enjoy sailing on board Liberty of the Seas.